Hello everyone. Myself, Sanjana Kathad, fourth year student of architecture, presenting my project Industrial Campus Design for the Tesla, mentored by Sir Sunil Thanekar. As per given requirements, the project is based on the campus design, which emphasizes on the site planning and relationship of built and open spaces, circulation and visuals. During this design program, I have gone through some existing projects. I did case study of Adobe's headquarters. It's a highly creative and innovative workspace, aesthetics made with the texture, colors and shapes, which helps to improve fresh air environment inside the building. Modern vibrant design, open floor plans and variety of the communal areas with the alternate workspaces are the features of campus. Second case study I did was Toyota's headquarters, situated in the North America, built in 2017. This campus brings 19 different corporate functions in 7 buildings under one 100-acre area. The way amenity loop is connected to the shared campus via central courtyard and surrounding landscape and the native habitat are inspirational. Here I learn about how car services takes place, campus security, what are the services needed for a headquarters, prominent use of glass and concrete, and how to incorporate surrounding nature with the building structure. Site analysis. We chose a site for the industrial campus after analyzing all the adjacent services, boundary resources like railway lines, airports, important locations nearby, and access to transportation. The site is situated in the heart of the Bangalore. It complete site measures 23 acres in a total land with the Nagwara Lake on its east side, which will help for the shooting view with the south side facing Youth Service Road, which connects to 30-meter wide NH7 highway. The site is having a lush green trees planted on the periphery, which will act as a buffer for noise. So, now coming to the zoning of this campus and concept, west side of the site is dedicated to the future expansion. Zoning is done according to the public spaces, semi-public and private spaces and accommodation keeping main showroom structure in a focus. Tesla is known for its aerodynamic features where the object is affected by motion of air and creates a dynamics. So, taking that thought forward to create that fluidity, I have played in levels to create highs and lows and curves by raising structure and the ramps at different levels which makes all the structures to adjust into a fluid form on site. Also try to merge a surrounding environment with the campus with the help of landscape and penetrating the structures in a different directions. Master plan. The main entrance is from a south side road with the parking on one side. The common entrance for the visitors, customers, and employees with the security check, which guides you towards the main structure, which incorporates welcome center, showroom in the front side, and workstation on its other half to its back side. This main structure is raised up to height 5 meter from the actual ground level that connects to the lower levels with the help of the artificial contours, ramps and slopes. On its east side corner, admin block is placed with a lake view. To west, auditorium block, then the common dining, employee and guest residences and amenities are provided in periphery. This headquarters caters showroom, workstation, office space, housing accommodation in one campus. Individual block details. This elliptical shaped structure is the heart of the whole campus, containing main focus building showroom on its front side. It is placed on the uppermost surface as compared to other blocks. On the first floor, there is a welcome center, reception, waiting area, celebration area, car display, consultation, visual stimulation, audio visual rooms, cafeteria, billing, customization, toilets, and children's play area are given. Stairs and lifts leads up to the first floor, which is having mezzanine floor allows to take a look of a whole car display area in one glance from top. Also, the finance, account, and head offices are provided on the same floor. A whole structure is divided into two parts with the help of cutouts. Those cutouts provided green open spaces as a recreational area, as whereas it allows ample of natural light and ventilation throughout the structure. On the other half of the electrical structure, after cutout, the workstation, the services are given. It is having the main entry from west side for the office staff and customers. Also, it allows the cars to pass inside the structure with a clear pathway. It contains customer entry, reception, waiting area. There are all the necessary consultant, finance, billing, and toilets are given. For the workers and training staff, separate entry exit from the other side through the cutout zone is provided with the security check, time office, changing room and toilets. Spare parts department is placed near the waiting area so it will be easily accessible by customers too. A clear vehicular path is provided inside the workstation with a vertical car lift that leads to the basement towards the car storage and also on the upper floor. First floor of workstation is dedicated to workshop and training. It contains 4 seminar halls, 4 workshops, conference rooms, skill development and support training staff area and repairing workshops. On the upper floor of the showroom half, there is a research cell which is having entry from east side cutout on the ground floor. It contains printing, publication, research office, head office, toilets, recreational area, and library attached to it with the accessible from workshop area. Both are attached with a common gathering space on the floor. Interior walls of the structure also try to create an impression of outer curves and fluidity with the help of curves and slanting walls we experience when we walk through structure. This conventional structure is made up of concrete walls and glass in between them. Roof shell is made up of steel frames, glass and aluminum cladding. Outer shell stands completely away from the internal support system. Daylight panel glass allows more natural light with a less glare with a low visible transmission. This conserves energy as they always allows a less heat in a building with complete daylight. On the right side, there is an admin block having a soothing lake view with a lavish entrance and glass facade, half covered with the dynamic covering design panels for sun protection. Ground floor of the admin contains reception, waiting, discussion rooms, office area, head office, toilets, pantry, recreational spaces. First floor contains account office, meeting rooms, lunch area, toilet and terrace. The whole structure is 9.30-meter height with a dynamic static roof which helps to match the flow of whole campus. On the west side, there is auditorium which is semi-public space with a capacity of 500 seats, performing stage, green room, guest room. This also having a dynamic high and low roof. In a housing accommodation block, there is a dining area which caters to 200 people at a time with a separate veg and non-veg kitchen, toilet and juice bar. Dining is connected to the workstation and showroom through the underground path passes below the lifted tracks for the easy access. Employee residences quarters accommodates studio apartments 2 BHK, 3 BHK, having a small gaming hall, clubhouse, healthcare, gym, laundry, supermarkets on the ground floor. Guest accommodation contains cottage on the ground floor and studio apartments on its first floor. The recreation activities provided are a swimming pool, senior citizen area, garden, yoga center, cycling tracks, and amphitheater near the lakeside to provide a healthy lifestyle of employees and workers to create meaningful engagement with the landscape and spaces. Isla is going to be a foreign company in Indian context. So, to create that an out of ordinary footprint in a Bangalore, a uniqueness is required. So, people will be excited to experience such space. The more the structure is bold and eye-catchy, the more it will be commanding to attract more visitors. So, the more awareness will be spread about electric cars and that will make an impression not only on visitors but also on travelers passing by. The purpose of providing drive tracks around the main structure, which actually gives a glance of the every block of campus that helps to understand geometry of the whole campus to visitors. Also, they will get a different view from the different heights throughout the driveway. That will make a dramatic impression which will follow you still you exist on the campus.